Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel's Universal Life Journeys friends. So today I came once again. I got this wonderful opportunity times to be with you, spend little times my dear friends. So today what I going to teach you that you will be see in these videos. So continuously with these videos my dear friends. If you are first time in these videos, please subscribe and have one likes friends, then you can understand all these things what I going to teach you in these videos my dear friends. If you want to be speak easy English in your house, in your schools, with your friends, wherever you will go, you want to speak easy simple English friends, you can just follow these tips what I going to tell you. First of all, I will introduce myself, my friends. I am not a teacher. I am housewife. But my once dreams was there. In my life, I will be a teacher. But it's not in my life. It's impossible. So I am not teachers, but I am just housewife. So my dear friends, in my beginning times, how I have improved my English, that's I will give you some of tips in this video. So continuous be with me and watch and hear carefully, then you can know all the tips behind these videos my friends. So in the beginning, so what I have did my dear friends, first I was learning the vocabularies, then after vocabularies I was learning some of grammars, then after grammars I was those vocabularies I have prepared, that I was making small easy sentences, and that I was putting in practice every day in my rooms, in my alone times, because there were no any company with me to talk with me and have a communicate. So my dear friends, I was talking myself English very easy simple words and in the simple sentences in my house. So today I want to give you some tips. If you want to know the simple English in your house, if you want to speak with your families, with your parents, with your school teachers, with your whoever may be my dear friends, everybody like to knows the English, but they are assuming, they have little bit fear. So today I will tell you my dear friends, there is no need to fear. If you want to be fluent in your English, then you should not fear friends. You should be speak loudly, you should be speak without fears, then you can talk with everybody's friends. So my dear friends, I have also did like this in my life. I was not assuming during my beginning time, because I want to speak this language, I want to know this language. Because of most of time what happens, you know that we were going outside and some of people were talking in English, and I was very feeling to know this language. So my friends, today what I going to tell you that if you want to be fluent in your English, then you should not assume. You have to practice in your daily lives. Whatever you doing, you have to practice in your at homes. If you don't have times, whatever work you are doing, with that you can practice in at your house. Then you can speak your English very easily with everybody's my dear friends. And first I will tell you, you have to listen, and you have to read, and you have to write. Listening is the most important my dear friends, because of we can see the children's lives, when they are small times, they are not learning any languages, they don't know anything, they don't know any alphabet, even though they are very good speaking. So same way in this language we have to hear the English language from videos, from YouTube, some audios, so we can have a communications, we can practice my dear friends how they are using, how they are making sentence. Like this you can develop your English in your daily life my dear friends. And writings, whatever's in your mind's coming, you have to write down in your notebooks. Easy words and easy sentences you have to make. You must know the grammar also. With grammars you have to write down in your notebooks, and you have to practice daily, and you have to loudly, you have to speak out, then your tongues may also get the exercise, my dear friends. Because of this, tongue also needed a practice exercise, then our tongues will help us to talk with the people. So we must, whatever we are doing, we have to give practice to our tongues, then our English will be good, and those who hearing our English, they can also get interest to hear our pronunciations, our English friends. And reading is most important, my dear friends. If you have small books, easy books, you have to read at your house as very easy sentences. You have to read at your house, and make a practice in your daily lives. Reading is most important. When you read some of books, you can with loudly you have to read out, and you can understand what this sentence is telling. So my dear friends, you have to read and listens and writes. These three method is most important in our daily lives, in our personal life, my dear friends. These methods I have applied in my personal life, so I am little bit speaking well. In my life nobody has taught me this English language. This is myself I have improved, my dear friends, because I have one dreams. I want to be a teacher, so I was wishing this language to learn. So I have developed my this language, and still I am learning, I am improving, I am studying, and still I want to be more and more. I want to know this language, my dear friends. You can also talk, you can also develop in your daily lives, and this is my small suggestions for you. You can improve in your life, my dear friends. So continuous watch these videos and follow, friends. So we will meet next time. Okay, bye.